Hey guys, this is Shubhamdeep. Today I will explain what is stringizing operation and conditional compilation in the preprocessor directive of a C programming language. Okay, so here is the suitable definition of a stringizing operation, which is in this operation the micro argument is converted to a string and the sign has carries the operation and it is placed before arguments. Okay, so in simple language you can say that the micro argument is converted to a string by using stringizing operation. Okay, and here I have example of this, which is you can see that I'm using say instead of printf, and I have been told you what is san, what is has defined like this kind. Okay, so this is the syntax of using for understanding stringizing operation. Okay, so that's the mean whatever I will write in between the parentheses, it will be considered as a string. Okay, like here. So let's run this program. You can see that this is the example of stringizing operation. Okay, so it's and I'm not using here double quotation marks. Till then it is printing the this statement because of this syntax. Okay, so this is the concept of, and you can also take different kind of characters like m, or so you have to define m here. Okay, like t, like r. Okay, according to your need. So this is the concept of its mean is that whatever whatever I will write, or you can say whatever you writes in the parentheses, between the parentheses, it will be considered as a string like here. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, so you can see that the program have been run, so that's mean it's the program is correct. Okay, so this is the concept of stringizing operation, and now I will tell you what is conditional compilation. Actually, conditional compilation is actually so simple, and whenever the execution of a statement or block or a expression is depend upon a particular particular condition, this is called conditional compilation. And in this the most frequently used conditional compilation directives are has, if definition, if define, and has, else, has, and if. Okay, so this is the conditional compilation directives. So I will tell you everything with the example. Okay, so you can see that here I'm using line o, and its mean is that this is a macro template and this is the micro substitute. Okay, so here this statement will be print because of I'm using o here. Actually the concept is whenever the controller will come on this point, it will check o. If o is defined in the macros, so it will execute this statement, otherwise it will execute this statement. Okay, so let's run this program. You can see that this is the line number 2. Okay, this is the line number 2. Okay, so you can see that here I'm using d. I actually defined in d as a macro. Okay, and whenever the control will come under this block, it will check that if d is defined in the macros, then it will execute this statement, otherwise it will execute the statement of else. Okay, so let's run this program. Here you can see this is the line number 1. Okay, because d is defined here in macro, so that's mean it will check d is defined. Actually it's defined, so that's why it will executing this statement. Okay, so suppose I'm using any other character like t, and I don't define t here. So let's see what is the result. Okay, you can see this is the line number 2, because t is not defined in the macros, and it so hence it will not execute this statement, and the controller will come on this point and will execute this statement. Okay, so this is the concept of using conditional compilation. And I have another example here. This is the same concept as before, and you can see that I'm using e here actually. Okay, if suppose I'm using E. Oh wait, please. Yeah, actually I'm using E here, so that's I mean E is defined in the macro, so hence it will execute this block. Okay, so this is A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay, so that's I mean this is the correct, and here I'm using T, that's why it executing T. Okay, I mean this block. So suppose I hit any other character R, actually R is not defined in the macro, so let's see what is the result. C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 5. Okay, and which is defined in this block, in the else block. Okay, so this is the concept of using conditional compilation, and in if define it useful for stopping the entire statement, entire ending the entire program. Okay, so this is the concept of using conditional compilation, and actually I have been told you what is has defined and everything in the program, so I'm not repeating again and again. Okay, so if you need to understand what is has, what is defined, what is I mean like why I'm using here. Okay, so you can follow my further lecture. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you have any confusion, you can put on my channels. Okay, and please don't forget for subscribe if you find this video useful. Okay, now bye.